This video is to provide you with the benefits and reason for getting a video consultation, also known as a video demo. During this video consultation, we will be able to, meaning a hair professional, will be able to see every detail of your hair, where it's thin, what areas it's thin, what's the percentage of thinness. We'll be able to give you some advice on what you can do and what you can't do, and then also we'll be able to give you options using the invention of the microstrand. Here's what's key. You will not have one option with the microstrand technology. You will have multiple options. Let me give you some examples. Let's say that you're thin in most of the top area and little down to the sides. Technically, you can fill in all your thin area, although you can fill in any portion of that thin area. That will make you look like your hair is just starting to grow in a particular area. So that means you will have many options, which also means many price options too. We have also something called InvisaBlend Pro Plus that fills in smaller areas. So you're going to see a lot of options. Now, you're also going to find out how and why the microstrand invention lasts 3 to 4 years and how this is possible, and you're going to get the details. Then you're going to get details about the application and maintenance options. There's more than one, and you'll be able to understand them clearly in accordance to your hair situation, which is very important. So these are some of the benefits of a video consultation. Thank you.